Yo guys, it's Galloping Golly back. Hang on, let me go back. Yo guys, it's Galloping Golly AJ here today with another Animal Jam video. So today, I'm so sorry I was making a masterpiece. It's fine. Anyways, I was streaming earlier, but I didn't do it very well. Anyways, guys, so today, as I promised, yesterday, on my last video for tips and tricks for Forgotten Desert. Today it's tips and tricks for Bunny Return of the Phantoms. I called it Bunny Burrow, but so if you are not level 2, the first tip is if you're not level 2, get to level 2 on playing regular mode. If you're already level 2 or higher, do hard mode. And I'm already level 2, so I'm just gonna do hard mode while I talk about this. So, when you're at the very end and you're doing the keys to get the bunnies, always get Oliver last. Always get Oliver last. It will, it'll just make the chances, it'll help make the chances, sorry guys, my voice is still coming back, but I'm still coughing. Anyways, the chances of getting, oh shoot, no, damn it, why am I, that was very fast. Anyways, if you get Oliver last, the chances of, I don't know why, but the chances are higher of getting something good if you get Oliver last. I don't know why. That's just what happens with me. Always remember that in hard mode, yes, it takes longer, but don't, like I said, in Forgotten Desert, don't go to Alden to host this adventure just because they're kind of, people are snobby. So, like, they'll just make you do all the work and not do any work themselves. So never go to Alden to host this adventure. Also, if another trick / tip I have is just, damn it, is, again, yes, you will die quite a lot. I'm showing you where all the corks are right now, so I think the corks do move around sometimes, so you never will honestly know where a cork is gonna show up. So you have to just be prepared for that to happen to you. Sorry guys. So just be prepared for that to happen to you. You can honestly get really good stuff from this adventure. I have gotten, what was it? Oh my god, what was it? I got a black worm from this adventure once. So you can get really good stuff from this. I know my friend has gotten a blue long from it. And I'm not making this stuff up. It is true. So, yeah. That was, I know it was a short video. It's just always, oh my god, guys. Always remember get Oliver last. Like, I'm not joking on that. Always remember get him last, or you will have no chance of getting a good prize, because Oliver, I don't know why, but it's like a glitch thing. So, but always get him last. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. So yeah. I don't know what else to say. Tomorrow's video is going to be on, oh damn it, I had an idea. I had a bit big idea, but now I forgot my idea. Oh no, I forgot my idea. Why did I forget my idea? Ugh, I forgot my idea. No. Anyway, you'll just find out tomorrow because I can't remember it right now. So guys, I hope you had a wonderful time just hiding in the grass. Hope you had a wonderful time. Thank you for watching. And yeah, bye.